Drastic changes. Well, I never get the chance to see my family often. Kasi aalis ako ng bahay, gising lang is our kasambahay and my grandparents, tapos uwi ako, tulog na sila. So those are the small sacrifices that I sacrifice for this. Pero I always talk to them, like through text lang or call, that I'm doing this for them and they have to understand. And strike while the iron is hot. That's my motto. Kaya parang, when will be, kailang lifetime ko pa may experience yung ganito. So, I'm just making the most out of it while it lasts.
Last question. Since ito na nga yung first movie niya together, is there also any talks from outside na gagawa pa ng other movies aside from this one? So, yun nga, pandagdag din sa schedule ulit. Kasi from this one, sigurado hit na. And sigurado. And syempre, there will also be syempre, magka-clamor yung public for more movies. So, meron na bang nag-iusap na rin ba na, let's say, sequel or spin-off?
Well, everything is still in the planning process. Pero hopefully there will be a next movie after the
Thank you.
Si Derek ulit.
Si Derek na ulit. Yun po.
Thank you. Next question, please. And Shiraz.
Hi, Direk.
Ang vloggers, mababait magtanong.
Which I love
vloggers. Thank you po. Very chill.
Hello, good afternoon, Direk and Alden.
Hi.
Ross Del Rosario from whatsuppilipinas.com.
That's it.
Yeah, there's no denying na phenomenal talaga yung Aldab, diba? So, napapansin ko kasi ang dumadami yung mga commercials, advertisements, and now there's a movie, diba? Ang laki ng meeting. Okay, so, parang follow-up sa question ni FPJ. Hindi ba possible na pwedeng kayo na yung lead role ni Maine sa susunod na movie?
Malamang yun.
May offer na ba?
Wala pa po pero may mga naririnig po kami. It's just that we really can't claim it not until it's happening.
And how about the advertisements, the commercials? Marami pang upcoming?
Ito po. Sakto lang po, konti-konti. May
Tumukha yung baybayin ng EDSA. Wala ka na makita kung hindi sila. Kaya wala na ibang artista sa mundo, di ba?
Kaya na di ba naman gitna ni Alden kanina, strike while the iron is hot, di ba?
And more important, keep that iron really hot for the longest time.
Yes. Keep that iron burning.
And so, yeah.
Kasi parang, when Eat Bulaga came up with Aldab, it's all out of pure intentions. To make people happy, to bring laughter, to bring kilig. And later on, did we find out that we can also parang draw more Filipinos to come back to the past, bring back the old school ways of living, bringing respect to elder people, parang bringing back chivalry, which was quite dead. Chivalry is not dead. And moreover, later did we find out that we can do an event for charity, for other people. So this is the blessing that we've been getting because we're made out of pure intentions. So parang yun lang po yung, if you reap what you sow. So kung magtanim ka na mabuti, babalik sa'yo mabuti, and vice versa.
My question is, may plano ba kayo to, how do you sustain this phenomenon?
It's not for them, that's for their management.
So
Yes,
management.
exactly.
So meron na bang ibigay sa inyo na parang direction or upcoming projects na dapat nyo gawin para ma-maintain nyo yung popularity niyo?
Kasi parang the thing about Aldab po, there was no plan in everything that we do. There was no career plan, no pattern, no design to follow. Whatever we have now, we enjoy, and whatever is gonna come our way, it will be because of the Lord. He's gonna give us in the right time. So tamang panahon, sabi ko.
Pero may mga projects ba kayo na tinanggihan na or dinecline dahil sa tingin nyo hindi tama para sa team ninyo or sa...
Well, so far naman po the other offers, they respect what is happening right now. They respect Aldab. So, wala naman pong so far na offer na taliwas dun sa nangyayari po ngayon.
Okay, thank you.
Hello again.
Nakadalaw ka na ba sa bahay ni Ming sa Bulacan?
Hindi pa po. Hindi pa po.
Pero ito kaya ang bago na Christmas?
Palay niyo po, di ba? Well, kasi ngayon po talaga, Main and I were really busy. Parang birang-bira. 7 days a week, we have jam-packed schedules every day. So, pag nakaluwag-luwag na po, I might pay a visit, ganyan. So, pero ngayon po medyo mahirap pa pong magsingit ng other schedules.
Pero may plans kayo to go out together alone?
Secret!
Oh,
But,
Well, we're gonna be in Cebu and Davao together.
yes,
so
for the promo, so
we'll stop them.
thank you.
Thank you, Miss Grace.
In relation to that, pwede ka naman pumunta sa kanila. I'm Jean, by the way.
Hi, Jim.
Hi.
Hi.
Anyway, ayun, may permission ka naman pumunta sa kanila. Wala namang nagbabawal.
Wala naman
Kasi
po.
before, di ba, like, bawal. Hindi naman bawal, pero because of your, parang set up.
Yes. Ano na, out of respect. Pero so, ngayon wala naman ako daw.
That's good.
Yes.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Thanks, Jim.
And then, next question, do you text, Viber, Skype, or call? Chat.
Sabi na lang yun.
Yes or no lang?
Well, you read between the lines. No?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, they text.
Love you, Derek.
Boom!
Okay, may questions pa ba tayo? Yes.
Sorry. Hello. Sorry.
Hi, Alden.
Hi. What's your name, ma'am?
Dayan from Lionheart.
Hi, Dayan.
Question lang pala. What is your dream role with Maine?
Since we've done rom-com, parang I'm looking forward to do a heavy drama with her. Kasi that's my favorite genre, drama talaga eh. I've been doing quite a few drama roles with JMA in other movies in my past 4 or 5 years of being in the industry. So I'm looking forward to, parang yun naman yung, kasi we've been doing na kilig-kilig and rom-com style of acting. Sana heavy drama naman.
Nice. Another question. What is the difference? Ano yung pagkakaiba ni Maine sa mga naging leading lady mo in the past? What's special about her na wala doon sa iba?
Well, out of the previous love teams ko po kasi, si Maine kasi komedyante talaga eh. So parang yung sense of humor niya is really mabilis mag-isip, nakakatawa talaga siya, even ako natatawa sa kanya. So parang that's quite different from my other love teams na nakapartner ko before. And I can see na talagang in every day that we work together, laging may baong jokes, hindi mawawalan, bigla na lang hihirit yan out of the blue. Kung corny man kayo hindi, basta babanat siya, wala siyang pake.
That's nice. Another question, may to-clarify lang ako kasi may sumukakalat sa social media na parang because of the popularity of Aldab, marami daw artista yung naging jobless, yung parang project nila ay nalipat na sa Aldab.
No, of course that's not true. Redirect space. Redirect. That's not true.
Hindi naman nila pananagutan ng careers ng ibang tao. Bakit sila sisisihin? That's it.
Okay.
Thank you, Derek.
Thank you, Alden, Derek.
Okay, for Derek again, so, saglitan. Derek, question lang, how do you handle? Kasi pag lumabas yung movie, baka may mga mas lalabas na it's Alda ba nagdala, it's not Vic and I.
You know, that's not true. Siyempre, I mean, you expect that, di ba? You cannot make 100% of the people happy. At pag naghahanap ka ng pintas, ng kapintasan, kahit anong gawin mo, pipintasan ka. how do I handle it? You have to really know which criticisms you acknowledge. Which is okay. You have to acknowledge which criticisms you have to dignify and which ones you just let it slide off your back like water on a duck's back. Hindi ba? It cannot be helped. But I can assure you, I mean, how could you question Vic and I? Hindi ba? They're icons, hindi ba? And in the same manner, how can you question? The movie caters to two distinct generations. Okay, so i-expect na namin yan. At ang aming reaction dyan is, uy, kamebe na lang. Okay. Eh di wow, tama.
Kay Alden po ulit. Hello, I'm Michelle.
Hi, Miss Michelle. Hi.
Naguna din ako.
Hello.
San Pedro. Medyo personal naman.
Yes po.
Masasabi mo ba na sa katauhan ni May, yung hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Well, first and foremost, what's not to like about her naman? Diba? Parang a lot of, she's been a very aspirational person, very simple. And, yun, kung meron ba mangyayaring progression in our personal relationships together, that's for us to find out ourselves. And that's for you to wait. Tayo nyo na lang po.
Follow-up question. Meron ka pa bang mga dream role bukod sa love with her?
So, dream roles with her? So, yun na po, like what I said earlier, heavy drama and the horror genre po na film. Yung mga takot-takutan. Tsaka, what else? Well, you need to, dalawang top of mind ko whenever, if Maine and I would be given the chance to do other movie genres, horror and heavy drama.
Thank you. Kay Derek po, last na lang po. Derek, para po sa inyo, ito po ba ang pinaka-paborito niyong movie? Or isa sa mga...
bawat pelikulang ginagawa mo ay paborito mong pelikula. Kasi bawat pelikulang ginagawa mo, parang anak mo yun. Di ba? So you cannot say which anak is the favorite niya. Pero ang nakakatuwa nito, lest it be known, ano? Ang tawag namin dito, an all Lasal production. Okay, kasi Lasal ako, nagtuturo ako sa Lasal, galing ako Lasal din siya, at si Min, Lasal din. So all Lasal production. But we invite Ateneans to also watch this.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Albert from Chicanesa.
Hello po.
Nakalimutan niya ang question. Hinga, Ivo, hinga.
Yan for Alden, were you aware na nung for the past year, nung Candy Fair was nandun din si May, was the topic
I was not aware.
Pero napapag-usapan niyo kayo?
Yes, sabi ko, nakita pala tayo nung 5 years ago na. Sabi ko, nga, pero hindi naman ikaw pinunta ko doon. Sabi ko, oo naman, di pa naman ako artista eh. Pero, parang, it's something like destiny talaga. Kasi after 5 years, we will see each other sa Itbulaga, you know? And this would be a hit. So, it's a blessing. It's a blessing from the Lord.
And nung beginning of the year, nung in-interview ka sa board mo, one of the things na tinanong sa'yo is kung ano talaga yung gusto mo for 2015. Ang naaalala ko is gusto mo na-apply. Matatapos na yung 2015.
Hindi natapos. Malay niyo po, I don't know. I really can't tell. So, December pa lang naman. Meron pa akong a few days, so we'll see.
And okay lang yun, ako 2000 tayo na, wish ko maka-love life.
2015 na, love life. I'm just waiting po, still. I'm just letting myself be surrendered into God's will kung saan niya ako ilalagay. Ay hindi ko pinapangunahan yun. Whatever He gives me, I accept.
Okay. Alam ko 2015 would be the biggest year for you in the show business. Pero if there's one thing that stand out for 2015, parang after 10 years, babalikan mo 2015, ano yun?
It's Alda. It's Alda.
At last is, gaano ka na napayaman na?
Next question, please. Ano pa rin? Well enough.
Ko yan. Kuripot yan.
Well enough to sustain everything. Yeah. Yes po.
Blessed.
Very blessed.
Ay, last na lang, if there's any material thing that nabili mo or something that will remind you of Alda, I mean,
House there. The house. The house I'm currently, it's on, patapos na po. So, parang, yes. Secret!
okay.
Sa South pa rin. Sa
Congratulations.
For the family po. It's a family.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, any more questions? Oh, yes, Orly.
Hi.
Sir.
Sir, ngayon pa rin pa, sir. Kayo na ba ni May? Pero, bala ko itong maligaw sa kanya.
Tayo mo, abangan mo yan po.
Pero kung maliligaw ka, sir, paano ba? Traditional way or, alam mo, yung nakagad?
Yes, traditional way. Takot ko lang kay Lola.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ano? Maligo-ligo na. Kayo na ba?
Wala nyo pa tumpik-tumpik, Pasko na daw eh.
Pasko na, diretso na.
Diba? Showing niya ang movie eh. Any more questions, guys? Okay, Nick. I'll go, Nick.
Yes, hello. I'm Ning of Ning4You.com. For Alden, ano yung mga, since magsama yung kayo palagi sa Carousel, ano yung mga new discoveries mo nung ginawa niyo itong film? Meron ka bang, yung hindi mo nakikita dati kay Ning, meron ba dito sa movie nung ginagawa niyo itong movie?
Well, halos lahat naman po kasi kung ano niya siya nakikita sa Calisepe, yun na talaga siya eh. Although, minsan lang kapag pagod, syempre, of course, may mga tahimik moments. Pero, all in all, what you see is what you get from her. So, yun po, that's what the good thing about me is you see her as herself. No pretensions.
The other way around naman, ano yung na-discover mo sa sarili mo nung naging, say, partner mo or love team mo si Will?
Na-enhance yung pagiging wacky ko eh. Yung pagiging wacky, well, before kasi, I've been medyo fine eh. Kasi parang that's what the management told me. Pero parang ako talaga personally, makulit talaga ako off-cam. Joker ako, mahilig akong mangulit. So, yun yung na-enhance when Aldab started. So, I became more of myself. Siguro I should say.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Nick. Questions, guys? Yes. Sige, Macy.
lang po ulit.
Si Miss Macy. Si Miss Macy yata ang president ng LW.
Yes! Sa last chapter. Curious lang ako, nag-text na ba sa'yo si May? Ngayon?
Today po?
Oo, pumunta ba siya?
Naku, parang makakasagot ko lang is di pa po namin alam eh, pero baka po.
Hindi ba nagpasabi sa'yo?
Hindi naman po. Ewan ko lang po kung... Pero, tingnan po natin baka makapunta sa I don't know po kasi. Hindi ko po alam.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan, sweet box.
Hi.
Hi, ayan.
Congrats.
Thank you. Hindi kita kilala ha. Ngayon lang kita na-meet.
For Alden lang, parang this MMFF kasi parang Battle of Love Teams.
Okay.
Parang ano yung edge ng... ano yung edge ng tandem ni May? Against, you know, JD, Casey.
First and foremost, we're not up to any competition in the MMFF. Actually, when Aldab started, we're not made to compete with any love teams. We're just enjoying everything, enjoying every moment, enjoying every project that we've been working on. So, with regards to edge, walang edge. We don't think about that. We don't think ano yung meron kami na would na mas malakas, more over any love teams. Wala. We don't think about that. We just enjoy.
What's your, parang, anong question? What's your favorite parang wacky face ni?
Yung nakagano'n. Sinalala, siya lang yung nakakagawa eh. Yun yung parang mukha siyang taga.
Ano na yung favorite dub smash mo?
Favorite dub smash? Yung pa-Baby Girls. So, nakakatawa yung kahit ako nakatawa sa kanya. Tsaka yung Vietnamese. Yun yung very first dub smash that started everything. Yeah.
Well, congrats for this.
Thanks, Ayan.
And for direct naman. Tawa ka. Direct parang, when was the last time you, parang you made a film fest entry?
Siguro yung latest ko before this was My House Husband with Julianne and Ryan. That's about, how many years ago? 3 to 4 years ago? Yeah.
This time po, parang with this film, since you're a big fan of Aldab din, paano mo napipigilan yung yung kilig during shoot?
Ako, yung kilig ko? Pipigilan ang kilig. Diba? When you're directing a kilig moment, dapat kilig ka rin. Diba? Pag hindi ka kasi kinilig, paano mo papakilig ang iba?
Ako, let me share this about Direct Joey.
Ano na?
Kasi, when we were working on My Baby Love, the shoots, yung mga kilig scenes, parang, may blocking eh. There's a certain blocking. Ito yung we deliver. We rehearse every sequence. Tapos on action, minsan may mga sumusulpot-sulpot na hindi naman nasama sa blocking. Then, pagka, direct honors that. That's the good thing about Direct Joey. Parang, he lets us play with the material. He's not a director by the script. He's a director by the moment. Kung ano yung maramdaman namin ng that scene. That's what I like about Direct Joey.
Kasi, let me clarify. Let me clarify. Kasi, ayoko yung formula kilig. Yung, alam mo, sineset up mo. I think, one thing that I really told everybody is everybody acts naturally. Kasi, di ba the biggest kilig moments of man are not the big moments, but it's the little details of the eyes, the effing dimple, di ba? Di ba, these things are really the kilig moment. And sometimes, siyempre, rehearsal, ganyan, tinatimingan mo, you don't see, pag take, nakikita mo, oh my God, di ba? Tunaw may panty liner, di ba? That's what I really want. I really want, at the end of the movie, sabi nga ng Aldab Nation, kailangan may oxygen ka. Lalo na yung ending ng movie, isinusumpa ko sa inyo.
Ready ka na mag-block screening marathon sa film? Sa 25.
Marami na nga nagbago. No, and there's special mention na. Two mentions that this movie is going to be shown in at least 10 cities all over the world by the 1st of January. Okay? So, Aldab Nation worldwide, okay, you'll get to see this. Okay? Because there are block screenings already scheduled.
How many direct?
At least 10. At least 10. In North America, Australia, and the Middle East. And in Europe also.
Ayun. Thank you, Direk. Last na lang for Alden. Without spoiling anything, yes or no lang, you have gift na for Alden. Ay, for Alden.
Gift to myself?
Without spoiling the thing or whatever. No? Yes or no lang, you're preparing something na for me.
Yes, of course.
Congrats.
Tumba-tumba siya.
Si MJ naman.
Alam na naman natin that you really you're my crowd, my following na Aldab Nation, but has it come to you na My Baby Love will formally siguro catapult you as a